In today's video, I'm going to teach you possible reasons for the upload failure. If you're trying to upload a product to Sellfy and it keeps failing, don't worry. Let's walk through the most common causes and how to handle them, step by step, in a clear and straightforward way. First, check the size of your file. Sellfy has per-file size limits that vary depending on your plan. So if your file is larger than what's allowed, especially if it's over 5 GB, you'll likely see an error. A quick fix is to compress the file into a zip archive. This not only reduces the size, but also helps keep related files organized. If compressing doesn't bring it under the limit, split the content into smaller parts and upload them separately. And if you're working with images, consider exporting them as PNG or JPG to keep sizes manageable without sacrificing too much quality. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Even a brief drop can interrupt the upload and cause it to fail, especially with larger files. Run a quick speed test to see if your upload speed is steady. If possible, switch to a wired connection, move closer to your router, or pause other heavy internet usage on your network while the upload runs. Reliability matters more than raw speed here, so aim for a consistent connection from start to finish. Another common issue is the file name format. Sellfy recommends renaming your file to remove spaces or replacing them with dots, hyphens, or underscores. For example, instead of My Product Final, use My Product Final zip or myproductfinal.zip. Keeping file names simple and clean helps avoid processing glitches. It's also a good idea to avoid unusual symbols and overly long names, which can sometimes cause the system to reject the file. Finally, be aware that an upload reaching 100% doesn't always mean it's done. That number usually reflects the transfer, but the file still needs to process on the server. Give it a little time and avoid closing the tab or navigating away until you see a clear confirmation that the upload has completed. If it looks stuck, wait a bit longer and then check your product list to see if the file appears there before trying again. By checking file size and format, ensuring a stable connection, and allowing time for processing, you'll resolve most upload failures on Sellfy. Follow these tips. Stay patient with large files, and you should be ready to publish without a hitch.